People who habitually react this way may be emotionally ill. It's not the way they want to be, it's the way they have to be, because of something inside them. But remember, these people can be helped. Sometimes professional help is needed, but very often it's the sympathetic understanding of the people around them that makes the big difference. That's why it's so important that you try to understand rather than criticize. Show concern rather than irritation when you deal with such people every day.